So first you will use the white tool with 2 holes to cut the insulation. Once you finish cutting the insulation, you should be able to unfold the foil like this and move the drain wire to the middle. And now you have that plastic insulation. You need to cut this to the bottom. Untwist the wires. First we do it the brown ones. It's good to have them nice and straight before putting it into the connector. So the whole process should take only 15 minutes. So once the wire being untwisted, we'll get one of the little tab for lining up all the wires. The sequence is, for the top layer you would do brown, green, blue, and yellow. Sorry, orange I should say. The lower layer you would do brown, blue, green, and orange.